Initial idea of Creative Steps 2.0 was to encourage cross-border entrepreneurship in Northern Periphery through collaborative innovation workshop. With the support of Creative Momentum project, it was possible to develop and pilot new innovation workshop method during 2 years in 4 different countries. Connect, collaborate and innovate are keywords describing the method. Creative Steps 2.0 is an innovation process that has supported business development in context of international collaboration in the Arctic regions. However, it can be applied in any situations or region for cross-border innovations. We will give you an overview of Creative Steps 2.0 in a nutshell. This innovation workshop model is a guided step-by-step approach that helps to develop new business ideas. It is not a typical business development and innovation workshop. First of all, it aims to enhance cross-border collaboration and the interaction between businesses and students with the help of coaches and external experts. Secondly, methodology aims to encourage the use of digital tools for better online and distance collaboration. Thirdly, it offers simple patterns of activities that helps all participants of the workshop to progress in their work from one step to another with clear tasks and outcomes. Therefore, it serves as a guideline process for participants in different entrepreneurship development situations. During Creative Momentum project, there have been organized 4 pilot workshops with the use of Creative Steps 2.0 methodology, which was modified according to needs in different countries. Workshops has been piloted in 4 different regions of Northern European countries. First was held in Finland, Lapland in 2016, second was carried out in Mid-Sweden, one was in west of Ireland, and the last one took place in Northern Ireland. Different experiences from the pilot workshops help us to develop further the methodology. Creative Steps 2.0 model takes into account 3 main cornerstones that are the ultimate goals of the model. We want to encourage entrepreneurship and entrepreneurial mindset development by boosting creativity and innovativeness for the development of innovative business ideas and products and services. Secondly, we create a support mechanism for local entrepreneurs to go global and international by enhancing cross-border business academia collaboration locally and internationally, and enabling the use of modern technology and digital collaboration tools. Additionally, we aim to enhance entrepreneurship pedagogy that would better meet the challenges of 21st century working life. Aim of the workshop and the final outcome is to create new product or service idea and to present a prototype. In Creative Steps 2.0, there are 2 companies from different countries matched for innovative collaboration and joint product development. Companies work on a joint business idea development with the help of creative teams, group of students with an international and multidisciplinary background. The work is based on business case that is formed by mirroring challenges of businesses with the aim of creating added value for both matched entrepreneurs. Entire workshop results in the prototype of a new product, service or outcome. The work began by establishing the business case, defining the customer pain and the potential source of innovations. Through 10 collaborative steps, companies and student teams develop actual prototype of new innovative service or a product and finally presented them to Creative Cave Pool, the panel of international judges, business experts who participated in the final pitching remotely and provide their feedback online. The methodology of the workshop offers steps to be performed in order to achieve the main goal of the workshop. It is important to emphasize that during the workshop we have face-to-face and online meetings and independent distance work guided by coaches. There has been modifications in different workshops. In workshop in Finland, we concentrate on product and service development. Same in Sweden. But in west of Ireland, it was a different modification of the workshop. Center of the workshop was social entrepreneurship cases. Globally, these are all major issues facing our world today, like climate change, waste, urbanizing, society, poverty, aging population, housing. Because of that, through Creative Steps 2.0, it was a good chance to explore how innovations in creative industries can help reduce or deal with major societal problems such as these. That's why we also like to explore broader innovations in the creative industries, but within this, how they can be more sustainable, such as applying principles of the circular economy. Workshop in West of Ireland brought this area on the table. Let's hear about experiences of Annika, who has participated in Creative Steps 2.0 workshop in Finland.
Hey, my name is Annika Konttaniemi. I'm from Finland, Lapland, Rovaniemi, and I am from my own business, Susivilla. I design textiles, woven textiles, and I do all kinds of different projects. I decided to participate in the Creative Steps workshop, which was held here in Finnish Lapland, because I thought it would be a good opportunity to network and meet other like-minded people, exchange ideas, and maybe gain some new customers. So I thought the overall process was quite good because it connected me with an Irish entrepreneur, Sally Ann, from Sally Ann's Handmade Bags, and we had a resource of a team of students here from Lapland, and they put their great minds together and developed some kind of common concept for our businesses to maybe do business together. Thanks to the workshop, I got to connect with Irish entrepreneurs in the creative field, other handcrafters. There were ceramicists and, of course, Sally Ann making bags. The benefit was to see that globally we have the same challenges as small entrepreneurs. It was nice to kind of share the burdens, exchange ideas, and also I was able to help Sally Ann get her very own first, specifically for her design textile print for the bags, because I have some connections in the designing field here in Lapland. So us here in Lapland, we live in a rather distant part of the world, a distant corner, and these kind of projects that bring us together with people from other distant areas or peripheral areas is crucial for us to be able to develop our concepts further. Being in Lapland is both good and it is bad. It's good because it has strong brand value and a lot of people come here on holiday and like to visit. But on a daily basis, when outside the tourist season, this can be challenging as an entrepreneur, and all extra connections are welcome.
The workshop method is reflected in 2 guideline publications. Why this kind of workshop methodology is needed? The world is full of various innovation methodologies and guidelines. However, most of the time they are more sustainable for large businesses, hubs such as Silicon Valley or other large innovation centers. When it comes to remote, faraway distances and small companies in periphery, the circumstances are very different. Therefore, this methodology brings new approach demonstrating that businesses in the Arctic can be connected online and do great innovations together with the help of creative students. Companies realize that they are not alone and that there are so many opportunities for their business innovation. Creative Momentum has been a great kickstart for this method piloting. It made us to learn and believe that actual creative people in the periphery need little guidance step by step.